What's up, guys? It's your girl, back with another video. Today I'll be doing Instagram Control My Life challenge. So I have put in some things in my and you gotta follow us wherever in the description below, and also make sure you go subscribe to his channel and comment down below which I want to see next. So I'm not gonna start it today. So if we actually have 2 videos on. So like we're talking about the Instagram Control Life tomorrow. That's when I wake up. And we also gonna do the race car challenge today. So let's get started. Let's get to the video. Okay, we're back. So we got our car. We went to $50 for a car because we took 2 videos. And then it's just that. So my 2 cars, I have the Batman car and the Hot Wheels. I have the Cadillac car and the police car. So our first one is Batman versus police. Okay, so we're gonna start from my carpet. So you gotta come over there. And then this will be the 50 one. So you can cheat. Okay, next one is the Hot Wheels. We have Hot Wheels versus Cadillac. So I'm back. We had to get this thing for the church tomorrow. Should we just call it in the morning? No, go ahead and call it now because it's about to close. Yeah, call it now. So hope y'all stay tuned for next video.
What are y'all doing?
For the tomorrow for the Instagram Control My Life.
It's gonna be the pool challenge.
Oh, we're not gonna be here. Oh, Mama knew go to church, not me.
Huh?
Make sure y'all stay tuned for the next video, Instagram Control My Life in the morning challenge.
Let's turn the pool challenge. The next
what
video.
Pool challenge? Susie, shut up.
Oh, it's the underwater challenge. Yeah.
What are you talking about? We're not even going to the water. Don't mind him. He don't know
what's going to the pool.
I didn't say tomorrow. Don't mind him. He acted. But stay tuned for next video. Hope y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And his. Actually, I'm not gonna put his thing in the description because he's annoying. So stay tuned.
Oh my, y'all.